Hi everyone. In the given problem statement of content duplicates 2, we are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums of I equal to nums j and absolute value of their I minus j indexes is less than equal to k. Let us take the first example. So here, right, we can create a dictionary and we can add the value of 1 which is at index 0, 2 which is at index 1, 3 which is at index 2, and if you are going to add this value, it is already present in the dictionary. So here we are going to do absolute value, which would be 3 minus the current one that is present, which is 3, which is less than equal to k. So we are going to return true out here. Let us take another example, the false condition. So here similarly we can add the values of 1 to the dictionary. At 0th index we're going to add 2 at 1 index. We're going to add 3 at 2 index, and now we're going to add 1, right? So it is already present, so it would be absolute value of 3 minus 0, which is 3, which is not less than equal to 2 or k value. So it is not correct. Now if I go to jump to the other one, 2. So let us take this example. So it would be 4 minus 1, which would be 3, again not equal to 2. And then take us the example of 5 minus 2, which is 3, which is not less than equal to 2. So here, right, we are not able to find a single distinct indices I and j that whose value is less than equal to k, whose absolute index value is less than equal to k. So we are going to return false out here. Now let us jump to the Python solution for the problem. Now here let me initialize the dictionary first. So dictx an empty dictionary, and then we're going to loop through. So for I in range 0 to length of our nums, if nums of I not in dictx, then dictx of nums of I equal to I, else if I minus dictx of nums of I is less than equal to k. So we are going to return true, else dictx of nums of I would be replaced by the value of I, and at last we are going to return false because you're not able to find a single value which satisfies the condition. So let me run the public test cases. So public test cases run properly. Let me submit the code, and if you look into the time complexity of it, it will be big O of n, which is pretty efficient. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.